Here at A+, we perform a seasonal service special that applies specifically to each season. From the beginning, we start with the battery check. We check the AC on the inside of the vehicle. We want to make sure that all the windows and mirrors are operational. Then stepping out of the vehicle, we make sure that all the fluids are topped off. The under vehicle portion, then we check brake pads and any leaks and any hydraulic lines up here, or any seeping fluid here in the brake pads areas. Making sure that the piston is retracting properly and the vehicle is as safe as possible for our clients. Right now we're in the summertime, so we try to pay particular attention to the radiators and any rubber components that I may be wearing that may, heat, expand, or anything like that. So in the wintertime, we definitely want to make sure that our tires have enough tread on them. And it's definitely during the wet season, so we want to make sure people have enough traction as they're driving on the road. We would definitely want to double check those wipers and make sure that we're able to wipe away any of that rain or mist or anything that's going to hinder us from seeing the road safely. We definitely try to pay attention to the details even inside of the vehicle, making sure that the heat functions and all the fans are working properly, because we don't want to go cold during those winter months. And during the springtime, we definitely make sure that the filters are clean due to all the pollen in the air, and during the springtime where there's a lot of allergies and stuff like that. So we try to pay attention to the clients as if they were our own family, and we try to make sure everybody's comfortable. We spend a lot of time in our vehicles, so we want to make sure everybody has a good driving experience.